Hi children, today we are going to see another type of plane figure which is triangle. Already in the previous class we have discussed two types, that is square and rectangle. So today we are going to deal with triangle. Okay, what is a triangle? Triangle is a familiar plane figure for you all, right? What is a triangle? How do you define a triangle? Yes, triangle is a plane figure. Triangle is a plane figure. Okay. Second thing, how many sides this triangle has? Yes, it has 3 sides. Okay, can you name the sides? Can you name the sides of this triangle? Yes, sides are line segments. So one line segment AB, another line segment BC, third line segment AC. So 3 sides are named as line segments. The symbol of line segment. Line segment AB, line segment BC, line segment C. Okay, if you look around, you can see the triangular shaped objects. Okay, just find out from your surrounding the triangular shaped objects. Okay, this is an activity for you all. Just find out which are things you can observe in this shape, triangle shape. Okay, one example I could say the road signs. See, on the roads we can see the signboards. Signboards are in the shape of triangle. Okay, then different types of chocolates. Some chocolates shape comes, that's in triangular shape. When you cut a piece of cake, okay, the surface of the cake, when you cut that piece, that surface, that looks like a triangle. So these are the different examples for triangle. You can find out many examples related to objects related to triangle shape. Okay, so just find out from your surroundings. Now, so it's a plane figure. It has 3 sides, and the sides are named as line segment AB, line segment BC, line segment C. Okay. Now, what are the other properties? Can you find out? Come on. What are the other properties you could see in this plane figure? Then another property is it has 3 angles, right? The triangle has 3 angles. That is, this angle is angle A. Angle A, 3 angles. 3 angles which are angle A, the second one angle B, and finally angle C. You know, angles can be named, can be represented with a single letter, capital letter, or we can name by using 3 letters. When you use 3 letters, what we have to see is the angle is at which point. That is known as the vertex. So vertex should be kept in the middle and the other 2 letters in the other or extreme ends. So angle A can be named as angle. We can start from here or from here. When you start from here, it will be named as angle BAC. See, that is why this is known as angle A. The angle is marked at A. A is known as the vertex. Okay. Angle B will be named as, you can start from A, angle A, B in the middle, and C. You can start from C also. So CBA or ABC. Now angle C, we can name it as angle ACB, ACB or BCA. Okay, anyway, these are the details about the triangle. But in this chapter, we are not going to learn about all these details. We are just seeing the triangle, how to find the perimeter and area. Okay, so how can we find the perimeter? Already we discussed what is the perimeter. Yes, tell me, what do you understand the perimeter? Yes, correct. Perimeter is the total distance, the boundary of the plane figure, right? That is AB, BC, AC. That is perimeter. So perimeter of triangle is sum of all the three sides. That is AB plus BC plus C. Very easy formula to find the perimeter of the triangle. Okay. Now we are going to see the area of triangle. To find the area of the triangle, we need another two important facts. That is, triangle is standing on the base BC. So this is known as base and it is denoted by the letter B. Okay, the side on which the triangle stands and the opposite of the side from the point A, when we draw a line, that 90-degree line which makes a 90-degree on BC, that is known as the altitude or height of the triangle. Altitude, or another term is height. You all know the height of your own height we can measure. Like that, how can we measure the height of the triangle? So to measure the height of the triangle, we need to take a base. Opposite of that base, you can see a point, that is A. From that A, you have to draw a straight line, 90-degree line, which meets BC at the point D, and this length, that is known as the height of the triangle. Okay, and it is denoted by the letter H. So in order to find the area of a triangle, we need to know about the base and we need to know about its altitude, which is drawn to the base which we have taken. Okay, so the area of triangle is half into base into height. Area of triangle is half into base into height. That is, we can put in the short form half into B into H, or again we can put in the short form half BH. So half BH means half into base into height. This is known as the area of the triangle. Okay. Now, so from area, how can we find base? That is another question. How do we find base from the area? Okay. So here we have half. Half means 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 2 is division. So when division form comes, what we will do? We have to multiply this 2 with area. So 2 into area divided by, why division? We are finding the base. Base is into, okay, divided by H. So base equals to 2 into area, because half is division, so multiply 2 and divide by H. Same way, H is equal to, come on, if you have understood this formula to find the base from area, how can you find height from area? Come on, just tell, okay, yes, come on, see it, correct. So 2 into area divided by base. So these are the details we are going to use in this topic triangle in this chapter. Okay, so triangle, its perimeter. Perimeter is all the three sides sum, and area. To find the area, you need to know the base and its altitude. Okay, so altitude means whichever base is taken, its opposite point, draw a straight line 90 degree. So which is known as the altitude or height of the triangle. Okay, now let's see some questions related to perimeter and area of triangle. Question number 1. Find the area of the following triangle. So it can be given in picture form or it can be given as detailed form. Okay. So here I am giving a picture triangle. First part, A part, P, Q, R, base is 8 centimeter and altitude is 4 centimeter. Okay, base is given, altitude is given, we need to find the area. So here a picture of the triangle is given and we have to calculate. So what you should write, base is equals to, write the details. Whenever we solve a problem, the presentation is very important. Write the details from this figure. Base equal to 8 centimeter, height is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so therefore area equals to, say, how do you find the area? Yes, area equals to half BH. So half into 8 into 4. Correct? Do the simplification. 2 one time, 2 4 time, 4 fours are 16. 16 centimeters square. Okay, so through picture we solve the area of a triangle. Now let me give another picture. A, B, C. Okay, so what kind of triangle is this? This triangle and this triangle are different, right? This triangle and this triangle. Look at what kind of triangle. You know, you have learned different types of triangles. Triangles are of different types. This triangle, what do you call this triangle? Anyone? Yes, this triangle is known as acute angled triangle because all angles, all the three angles are less than 90. In a triangle has three angles. Triangle has three angles. If all the three angles are less than 90, such a triangle is called acute angled triangle. Okay. Now, if you look at this one, these two are less than 90. But this is, what is, if you square is marked here, what is the angle measurement, you know? It is 90 degree, right? So this triangle is known as right angled triangle. So in the right angled triangle, this is base. This is base and this is altitude or height. So base is 16 meter and height is 5 meter. Okay, so in a right triangle, the side, the triangle lower side, that itself is known as base and this is known as the altitude of the triangle. So area equals to, so first we have to write the base. Base is 16 meter and altitude or height is 5 meter. So area is equal to half BH. So half into base 16 into 5. Okay. So 2 8s are. So 8 5s are 40 meters square. Okay. So this is the way we solve the area of a triangle. Okay. Now another question. Next question is, find the height. Find the height of a triangle whose area is 40 meters square. Okay, and base is 8 meter. Okay, read the question. Read the question 2 times and collect the details from the question and then think of what we have to find. Okay, find the height. Height is the missing factor. of a triangle whose area. So area is given. So let's find out that area equals to 40 meters square. Okay, and base is 8 meters. So base is equals to 8 meter. Okay, so the thing which we have to find is height. Okay, just connect height. How high can be found from area? Have we learned something relation between the height and area? Any fact related to height and area? So how do you find height? Come on. Yes. Height is equals to, correct, 2 into area divided by base. Very good. Okay, just put the value 2 into 40 divided by 8. Just look the numerator and denominator. Can we simplify it? Yes, can you simplify it? Yes. Which all numbers we can simplify? 2 and 8 you can do, or 8 and 40 you can do anyway. So let's do 8 and 40. How many times? Yes, 5 times. So 5 into 2. 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. Okay, 10. What's the unit? Area in meter square, base in meter, so it is in meter. Okay, so these are the concepts related to triangle. How to find the perimeter, how to calculate its area, how can we calculate the height, or how can we calculate the base. Okay, so under this topic you have to do the homework. Homework is exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2. Homework which you have to do is exercise 11.2. Question 2. Only this you have to do. So this chapter we are finishing with the 3 concepts, 3 plane figures which are there: square, rectangle and triangle. Okay.